Erode Nallampatti chicken roast recipe. Nallampatti chicken roast is a preparation made in the small town of Erode. The chicken is cooked along in a dry masala made with a lot of shallots, garlic and dry spices. Here is how to do it. Heat Indian style sesame oil in a pan. Be generous with the amount of oil you use in this recipe because the flavor of sesame oil is very important in this recipe. Add in some cloves to the oil. Add in a couple of pieces of cinnamon too. Add in the fennel seeds and the dry red chilies. The dry red chilies are deseeded, roughly chopped and then added to the hot oil. The red chili flavors the oil when roasted and adds a nice aroma and taste to the dish. Now add in the curry leaves. In most kongunadu style preparation, deseeded red chilies are roasted in oil for that extra flavor. Saute for a few seconds for the spices to get roasted in the hot oil. The oil will turn very aromatic. Slice the garlic into slivers and add to the recipe. Slicing it will make sure that every bite of chicken will have a little garlic along. The taste of roasted garlic goes very well in this recipe. Now add in the roughly chopped shallots. Here is a quick tip. When you have to peel a lot of shallots like this one, soaking them for about 10 to 15 minutes in water will help the skin of the shallots to peel easily. Shallots are preferred for this recipe. They are sweeter and more flavorful than regular onions. Saute for about 5 minutes for the shallots to become soft. The shallots should turn soft and translucent after 5 minutes. They should also start turning slightly brown in color. At this stage, add in the salt. Add in all the spice powders. The turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder and the coriander powder. Saute for a few seconds in the oil for the spice powders to get nicely roasted. Now add in the ginger that has been crushed in a mortar and pestle. Add in the chopped tomatoes. Country tomatoes work well in this recipe. Couple of ripe tomatoes will be enough. Do not add more. Mix everything well to combine. Now let's add in the chicken. Bone-in chicken is preferred for this recipe. The bone adds a lot of flavor to the masala while cooking. Traditionally, country chicken is used for this preparation. But regular broiler chicken works very well and I am using broiler chicken today. After adding the chicken, add about half a cup of water and mix well to combine. Cover the pan with the lid and cook on a low flame for 20 minutes. Mix once in a while to avoid the chicken from scorching at the bottom. The moisture from the chicken and the little water we added will be more than enough for the chicken to cook. After about 20 minutes, the chicken should be completely cooked and the mixture should be almost dry, resembling a thick masala. At this stage, add in the black pepper powder. The black pepper powder has been finely ground. Add in some chopped curry leaves too. Mix well to combine and cook for a minute more. Finally, add in the chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Our Erode special Nallampatti style chicken roast is ready. This dish tastes really good with rice. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye.